Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a gluten-free cookies recipe made without sugar or oil. Ideal as a healthy snack any time of the day. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I have already added 2 ripe bananas. I'm mashing the bananas with a potato masher. Try to use ripe bananas. The more riper the banana, the more sweeter it will be. Once the bananas are mashed, add in 1.5 cups of Jowar flakes. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. Jowar is rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. Because it is gluten-free, Jowar is ideal for those with gluten intolerance. Once it is roughly mixed, I'm adding in a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt, 1/3 cup chocolate chips. For some natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut of your choice. And with a spoon, I'm giving this all a good mix. For added flavor, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is entirely optional. Once nicely mixed, take 1 tablespoon each of the dough and place it on the baking tray, which is lined with parchment paper. At this point, I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Also make sure that you're lightly pressing down the cookie dough. You can always top some more extra chocolate chips on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until the edges are crisp and lightly browned. And as you can see, the edges are lightly crisp and brown. I'm going to allow the cookies to cool down in the baking tray itself. Once completely cooled, transfer the cookies into an airtight glass container. So guys, do try this healthy 5-ingredient banana cookies and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.